am facing my pole, I'm going to the right of my pole. My inside left arm is going to be waist or belly button height, and I'm pushing. My outside arm is going to swing nice and high, and it's going to be pulling to help me start to lean my hips as far away from this pole as possible to make this look nice. For those of you that are here for the first time, welcome. We do all things pole here and floor work. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more. Bottom leg, which is going to be your inside left leg, make sure you're externally rotated through that hip. Okay, hip and foot are going to externally rotate. You're going to be able to probably get your leg higher this way, okay? So we're going to think about leaning the hips away and showing our butt to that wall. That's what we're thinking about. And also leaning the hips towards that wall. So we're going to go for a kick here. So we're going to kick up, bend the top leg. Notice how I am really pulling from here, pushing from here, and stabilizing through my bottom foot. I'm going to be leaning backwards and going for my stronghold in my left armpit grip, and I'm keeping my right top leg bent as I transition to the next position, and I'm also keeping my bottom left inside leg super straight as I go backwards into my stronghold and land here. So left leg stays straight, right leg bends. From here, check your position, make sure it's nice and cute. Okay, fix your toes, make sure your toes are under your knees here, heel is up, and everything looks how you want it to. Left leg is going to sweep around and over the rainbow, and then right leg is going to follow. It's kind of like a fan kick, and then we're going to land in our split. So some quick tips here. While you're doing that fan kick into the split thing, try to make sure your legs are nice and hard and straight and engaged. If you're not capable of doing that, you need to start doing some conditioning, okay? Like, you really need to start getting those legs looking strong. None of this, none of this. Okay, we need to start getting legs nice and straight. Do cool stuff. I just hit my coochie. Turn the hips to face down and go down into your little split. Bounce here a couple times. Do what you want to do from here. This is just a cute little suggestion to add to your training this week.